Hi, welcome to Data Grows. Once you sign up to the Accounting CRM system, you'll land on the home page. This is where you'll find your Accounting CRM database, as well as any future databases you might need. The left-hand navigation gives you quick access to all of your tables as well as groups. This can be collapsed or expanded to not clutter your view. The first thing you want to do is go to the Accountant table under the Setup group. Here you will add all of your staff by clicking on Add Record in the top right hand corner, entering their name as well as email address, then selecting a role. We have 3 standard roles in Data Grows as well as 1 custom role. Admin will be able to see tasks for all clients. They will also be able to add and delete clients. A partner will have the same rights as admin, except they will not be able to delete any clients. This is just for data protection purposes. Bookkeepers will only see their own tasks in order to not clutter their view. When you select a custom role, you need to choose the groups that you want to give them access to. These groups can be seen in the left navigation over here. You can expand a group to see all of the tables that it includes. All custom roles will also have access to the All Tasks Due table, Client table, and Ad Hoc Task group. Then when you scroll down, you'll find an assistant role as well as filter on own. The assistant role will only see the All Tasks Due, Clients, and Ad Hoc Task group. Filter on own will restrict a user's view, so they'll only be able to see their own tasks. Once you have checked all the applicable boxes, please select Save and New. This will bring up a blank screen where you can add your next user. As soon as all of your users have been added, please download the Excel template at the bottom of this video so you can start adding your client details. The Excel spreadsheet looks like this. To start off, go to the Tips and Format sheet and add all of your accountants in the Accountant column. This will create a drop-down under the main sheet, allowing you to quickly select all of your accountants. When adding your accountants here, please make sure that the spelling is the exact same as in the Data Grows app. The rest of these columns all show details for selection drop-downs in Data Grows. Once you go back to your main import sheet, you will see that the first row contains all of our column headings. The second row is a quick guide. When populating these columns, please follow the steps described in this guide. Over here, you'll see that a few of them are drop-downs. Those are the drop-downs referred to in the Tips and Format sheet. This just enables you to quickly select from the drop-down instead of having to type out the words each time. After you have added your clients, please save the file as an Excel SX file. You don't have to import all of your clients right away. You can upload a few of them and later on do the rest. Once your Excel has been saved, please move on to the next video and we'll show you how to upload your clients and work in the app.